Hello kids, welcome to Kids Knowledge Box. Today we will learn phonic sound of letters. Listen carefully and repeat after me. E, I, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Thank you, kids.